Hello and welcome. My name is Shridipta Nag and this is my YouTube channel Shridipta Nag, and today I am doing an unboxing video. This is a package that I received from my brother, my cousin brother, my aunt's son, my paternal aunt's son got a new job, and because of that he gifted me this. My baby brother gave me this. I'm feeling so happy, and I haven't seen what's inside, but from the look I can obviously understand there's some cosmetic makeup products inside, and you know, when you get surprised it always feels really good, but when you see that the person surprising you is being so thoughtful in giving you something that you really like, I mean, he knows me, and that means a lot. Like when you see that the person you love also loves you and devotes time in trying to know you properly, that's something. So he knows that I love makeups and cosmetics and things of self-care things and all the good stuff that make you look better, feel better. So he gave me this. I'll open this and then I'll see what's inside, which makeup product is inside, try that out and give you guys a feedback on this. Let's see. Okay. See? Bubble wrap. I'll burst them in my free time. That's also very important. Now, this is written Sugar Minis. I hope I can see that. Yeah. So, let's read the packaging. Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Mini Lipstick Set, Nude Set. Okay, he gave me this. Excuse me. Anyway, so this is made in India. I'm an Indian, I love India, so I'm not against any other country, but when it's made in India, it's a little more closer to my heart. Anyway, so its MRP is $999, so 1,000 bucks. Net weight 1.1 ml per pack, and it has 4 units. So there are 4 lip colors inside. Individual products are not for sale. Manufacturing date, used before, like, okay, so batch number, manufacturing date, I can't find them, but anyway. And this is cruelty free. That's a big thing for me, guys, because I'm not a vegetarian person, but I mean, I don't wanna, yeah, so let's see now. I'll open this. The container is metallic one. It has the Sugar Minis written on it. Rule the world one look at a time. Here are the lip colors. Okay, I'll try each one by one, and you people see how I look. I'm so messy, so clumsy. Sorry. The first color that we have here is Suave Mauve. I hope I pronounced that correct. The spelling is SUAVE MAUVE. Mauve. Suave Mauve. Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick Mini. The individual price of this thing is $249 as written over here. If you can see. Can you? Anyway, moving on. This was very recently created. The manufacturing date is here. this was the manufacturing date says it was made in May of this year, and this is gonna last me till April of year 25. I don't think it's gonna stay unused till then, but anyway, so opening up, this is so cute. The first lip color, it's tight. Okay, I'll show you guys. This is the first time I'm opening this baby. Here is the color. I'll try it. Since there are 4 colors, I'll try all of them at once. This is a very natural looking nude color. I'll check it on the mirror once. Yeah, this is very similar to my real lip color. Very convenient option for a no makeup look. I'll seal that. The next one we have, the name is, the first one's number was 09, Suave Mauve. Now the next one is Don Fawn, DONFAWN, and the number is 12. Okay, I'll open this one also. The number is 12. It's 1.1 ml. This is the lip color. These are tight. This is the thing. You see this? The second line? Yeah. Let's do this side. It's a little deeper. A little deeper shade. Okay, I hope I'm not getting the content. It's mixed. Yeah. Next we have this Tan Fam. Okay, I opened it already. This is the thing, Tan Fam 03. I'll check the color. This is maroonish, reddish a bit. Yeah, this third one, this is the Tan Fam. I'll apply it here. You can see how that looks. I'm looking so odd. The last one is number 44. It's Preach peach. Okay. It's not coming out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this number 44, peach. And as the name suggests, it's a very peachish color. And it's a pinkish orangish kind of color, which peach actually is. And here I'll apply it. So you can see all four colors. Sorry, anyway, I fumbled a bit, sorry for that. So you can see all four colors on my lips. And from what I see, these you should, if you're confused about which color you should purchase, like this is a very good initiative by the sugar company, that they introduce such mini containers, so that before purchasing, before committing to a whole bigger lipstick, you can try out their mini ones and see which one looks best on you. From what I can see, all three of these are really good for me, and this one is, I don't know, is it too light for my complexion? Maybe, I'm not sure, but this is exactly the, I mean, my real lips are just 1 or 2 shades lighter than this color. So, and they're dry. Oh, they're totally dry now. I mean, I'm looking so strange. Now for the smudge and transfer taste. I'll first keep them aside. Now when I was showing you the colors, I was taking all of them on my hands, as you guys saw. First I'll run my fingers on these to see whether it's smudge proof or not, and you can see it's really good smudge proof. Totally nothing is happening. I'm totally like, yeah, the skin on my hand moved, but the color didn't. The color stayed as it is. That's really good. It is smudge proof indeed, and definitely kiss proof also. But that's not all. I will take a few more tests of this thing. Here I have a cotton roll, and I'm gonna press it. Whoa, nothing happened. Some of it is sticking on my lips since I pressed it so hard, but nothing. It's good. And now for another test. What happens if I drink water and my lips get wet and then I rub it? So I'll drink water. I have water on my lips now. You can see that. I'll take the same cotton roll. I'm not gonna waste this. Nothing. It really is sugar hai. So Now comes the question if these are like comfortable to wear or not. Okay, I'm wearing these have dried totally, but they're not cracky or feeling hard on my lips. It's quite smooth and soft. I don't actually feel anything on my lips that much. Yeah, like for people who have this problem that they cannot wear lipstick because they feel something hard on their lips, you can try this. This is a good option. You won't feel there's anything on your lips. That's a very good option. And transfer proof, I've shown it to you. Smudge proof and kiss proof also, maybe. I mean, obviously. These are crack proof as well. There's no crack or cracky, cakey feeling to it. And with the price that you're giving, it's total value for money. For people who use one product in multiple ways, I'll say that you can even try and use these as your I mean, if you purchase the mini version, then you can, and if you purchase a mini version and you see that you like only one of them, then you can use the rest 3 as your cheek tints or eyeshadows also. These will work really good as eyeshadow and cheek tints. And for people with dry lips, this is not a bad option because my lips are not feeling dry. I have extremely dry, chapped lips. Okay, and I'm saying that these are good, so please trust me. These are really good option. I'm gonna, if you say if I'm gonna purchase or not, then yeah, I am gonna purchase. I'm gonna definitely repurchase them, and which color as to that I'll have to find out. I don't know, but all the shades are really good for all skin types. I mean, for all skin colors out there, from darker to lighter skin tones, and they feel good. So if you ask me, these are really good. You should try them also. Love you, bro. So that's all, guys. This is for the review of my sugar lipstick that my brother gave me. To see more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and write in your comments in the comment section below. Please suggest me a few more lipsticks, the ones that you love. Do let me know which color you liked the most of the 4 ones. And if you are gonna purchase this, then do let me know. I'd love to know. If you upload a video, do tag me in that. I'd love to see that also. Do follow me on my Instagram account. My Instagram handle is Shridipta_Nag. That's my name. SHRIDIPTA_NAG. So that's my name. So do follow me on Instagram also. I post many reels on there. And so that's all. See you guys next time. Bye bye.